In this video, we are going to see about Notebook LM Plus. Before we have the Notebook LM provided by the Google, it have the options to get the information from the document. Without spending much time, we can know understand what inside the document, everything we can read. So now the Notebook LM Plus. We will see the features and functionalities available to help for us to read the document using Notebook LM. So this is the screens Notebook LM when we loaded for Notebook LM. I hope it will be Notebook LM. Okay, it's not up here. So as of now, it's available only for the Germany. Okay. So Notebook LM. Then we will go to create. I hope most of them know about this. Let me see the features here. Then here we have the option to upload file from Google Document, Google Slides, website, YouTube, copy text. We can upload these resources here. From this uploaded data, we can speak with the text document, get the informations detailedly. So it will show the source limit. We can upload till 300. So we can upload some files. So this is the files recently paper recently released by Google agent companion. So we will upload this file. Once we added that, we can add here list of file. So when it's after load the list of file, it will read data from this uploaded file. We can select how many file we can upload, how many file we need to read. After uploaded, yes, so the name is changed. So it's automatically detect agent companion architecting autonomous AI system. So this is the author by the team of Google, the agent companion February 2025 guide for developer building generative agents. So this is the guide for developing generative AI agents. Explain the on foundational concept with advanced topic like agent evaluation multi-agent system. So we need to read this document. So this is a document basically for developing the generative AI agent like multi-agent system using the advanced concept. So this document will help us to develop the system the way we need. So this is the when you load it, it will give the basic information summary about the document. If we need to add the notes, we can add here, and audio overview. Maybe we can so we don't know what are the information available, so we will ask the notebook LLM to generate the audio. So audio will once audio will generate, we can see how it's working. It will work like a podcast conversation. So a parallel is generating now. Parallelly we can see what are the options. So we can see the audio overview, then we can see the one of the best mind mapping options here. So we can see what are the important points in this document. So I need to know the important points in this document. So I just written the message. Let's we check. So here some of the important points. Generative AI are significant advancement from the traditional language model. So architecture of the agent consists three essential elements. The decision making unit, tool for interacting, external occasional layer. I hope your this decision making this is a reasoning. When you send any message to the agentic tool, it will see and take decision. This is called as a reasoning. Then tool is like interacting with the outside data. So maybe the when we ask the questions, LLM can answer, but it have the generic things. If we need to connect our private data, we need to use a tool to connect our private data. So the tool is the connect to the external. Orchestration layer is for reasoning, action, and memory, everything. So agentic ops is a subcategory of the Gen AI ops, focus on efficiency, operation of the agent. So it's such as the agent brain, memory, task compression, everything. Metrics are critical for building, monitoring, comparing agents. So metrics. So these are the points important in this document. Evaluation, evaluating the final response, human in the loop, multi-agent system involved, multi-specialized agent collaboration, multi-agent architecture, important component of agent, evaluating multi-agent system in the process of single agent, focusing on multi-success metrics, agentic RAG, the retrieval augmentation. So this is same. The we have the I hope we know the um, agentic AI. So initially we send some message. It will go to the retrieval augmentation. It will we have the embedding data, so it will go and get the related embedded data. So it will keep in the token. Then in the result from the embedding augmentation from the vector database, it will bring and push into the LLM. So the information what is sending also available in the LLM. So based on this and question and answer, it will give the proper information like human readable format. So these are the things. So agent, Google Agent Space provide experience creating, manage, involving, orchestrate multiple agents. Enterprises. So agent space. Now Google Agent Space available aim to provide a multi experience of creating, configure, manage, invoking multiple. Wow, good. Now we have the agent space is a very good one to create multiple agents. We will wait for that. So at LLM Enterprise and Agentic Builder. So there's a too much points, important points in the documents. After this video, just learn about this document. So now the podcast is generator.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you've shared some really interesting stuff with us this time. This Agent's Companion document from February 2025, no less. And wow, it looks like quite the team put this together. You're clearly fascinated by this whole world of AI agents.
Absolutely. It's a rapidly evolving field, which is like the core. Well, does it scale? Questions about the car by retrieving information
So
from the
we know
manual
right now
and a
with
general knowledge.
the based on the document, this document data convert into the podcast audio. We can hear this audio whenever we are free, when we are going to walk, when we are going outside in the car. So it's easy to learn document. So whenever in the busy schedule, it's difficult to read all the documents. So it's very helpful for us to understand things and learn quickly without spend more time. So other things, there's the options. So so you can see the system guide. So it will show the study guide to show. It will give the question and answers to quickly study all the informations at one time. And briefing documents, you can see timeline, you can see. And one of the thing is mind mapping. It's very attractive one. When you go to the mind mapping, to create a mind mapping from this document, it will give all the entities to see the relative information about that entities. Is very clear. And so this is the one I said from this AI agent. In this AI agent, we can see the introduction, agentic operations, agentic success metrics, agent evaluation, agentic RAG, agentic enterprises, agentic builder. So when you go to the agentic RAG, it will split critical evaluation RAG, traditional RAG limitation with complex, autonomous retrieval augmentation, better search, better RAG. So when you go step by step, we can understand the document very easily. Agentic evaluation. So agentic evaluation are three components. Three components is assessing agent capabilities, evaluating, and evaluating the final result. The human in the loop, subjective, contextual understanding. So what we are saying is, what we are reading is from the mind mapping, how we are thinking about the data, the same like that it will read the mind mapping, give the visualization of how the data in the document, so we can interrelated entities and its attributes, and we can understand very easily. Okay, now we create a evaluating the final response. When I click, it will give the related informations. Then if you need to know about the evaluating the final response, when you click, it will load the related information about that. Then we can download this also. Then we can read about the evaluating the final response, everything from here. So it's really one of the best tool. Let's we will use, of course, the AI will sure helpful for us to improve the level of our life. If once we start to use, it's difficult to go back to the old style. So it will improve our productivity sure. We will see in another video with best and interesting stuff. Thank you. I will add this link and document in the description.